number 306, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Maryland, in Arundel, Baltimore, Harford, Howard and Kent, and the Maryland independent city of Baltimore, and the following marine locations: Chesapeake,
Pennsylvania, Stafford and Warren, and the following independent cities in Virginia: Alexandria, Fairfax, Falls Church, Fredericksburg, Manassas Park and Manassas, and Jefferson County, West Virginia, and the following: Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. This evening, showers and thunderstorms will likely move across the region this morning and produce heavy downpours. Rainfall amounts in excess of 1 inch are possible. Another outbreak from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the wash area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now for the official. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 306, effective until 7 o'clock p.m. This watch includes the following county: District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland: Anne Arundel, Charles, Howard, Montgomery, and Prince George's, and the following counties in Virginia: Arlington, Fairfax, and Loudoun, and the following independent cities in Virginia: Alexandria, Fairfax, and Falls Church, and the following: Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, and Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the wash area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is a